Back in 2022, I bought this Sony a6400. At the time, it was my dream camera. I believe I could make cinema quality videos with it. But now I feel that it's no longer possible to do anything with this camera. Maybe I had used its full potential, and also in the same time, the battery was almost dead. I felt I need an upgrade. But at this moment, I don't have enough money. What should I do now? How will I create those cinema quality videos? Is my video making journey ending here?
You'll never be able to make cinema level videos with this camera.
Wait, I had never shot in 4K with this camera, and I hadn't done proper color grading. I only had $50 in my pocket. Okay, I decided to take a risk. I bought a new battery and started shooting again. And I don't know, somehow I discovered something called Dehancer. From what I understand, it's a color grading plugin, so I started color grading with it. And finally I realized that I got the cinema look in my videos. My hopes began to rise again. I found happiness in my life once more. I understood that everything is possible if you want. No matter how limited your gear is, if you use the right techniques, you can get the good results.
Well, Dehancer is not just any ordinary plugin. The quality I achieve in my camera just because of Dehancer. Or you can say this is the secret tool of my color grading. By the way, you can manually achieve the film look, but it takes a lot of time. However, with Dehancer, you can achieve the same look in much less time. I think it could be a good investment for you. Since you watched the entire video, there's a gift for you. If you really decide to purchase Dehancer, then use the promo code MAHA10 to get 10% discount. And Dehancer have their own smartphone app also, so if you have time, then check it out also. Thanks for watching this video. I'm so sorry for late uploadings, and see you soon. Tada.